Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to transform any photo into a pencil sketch using Canva. Whether you're looking to create unique artwork, spice up a social media post, or just want to have some creative fun, by the end of this video, you'll know how to turn a regular photo into something that looks like it's been drawn by hand with just a few simple steps. So let's not waste any time, let's jump right in. First off, go ahead and open up Canva. If you don't already have an account, it's free and only takes a minute. Once you're in, head to the home page. Now I want you to click on Create a Design. This is where you pick what kind of canvas you'll be working on. For best results with this pencil sketch effect, we're going to use a custom size, so look for the option that lets you set your own dimensions. Set your custom size to 100 by 50 pixels. Now I know that seems tiny, but don't worry, it's perfect for learning this effect. This small dimension helps keep the image simple, highlighting the contrast that really makes sketches pop. If you want a larger image later, you can always scale it up or try different sizes. So go ahead and create your new design. With your blank design open, it's time to bring in your photo. In Canva, the best way to do this is to go over to the Elements tab, then use the search bar to find a photo you like or upload your own. Once you've added your photo to the canvas, take a moment to center it and size it so it fills the space nicely. Here's where the magic happens. To turn your image into a pencil sketch, you'll need to adjust the color and look of the photo. Select your photo by clicking on it and then look up at the top toolbar for the Edit Photo button. When you click this, you'll see different adjustment options like brightness, contrast, and saturation. For a sketch effect, you want to drain the color out, so lower the saturation all the way down, making the image black and white. Next, increase the contrast and bring the brightness up just a bit. What you're doing here is mimicking the way a pencil sketch has sharp lines and strong shadows. Play around with these sliders until you see those darker lines and lighter areas appearing, kind of like what you'd expect from pencil on paper. If you want to push it further, scroll through Canva's effects and see if there's something like photogenic or duotone. These can help accentuate fine details or give your sketch a unique tint. Sometimes combining a black and white filter with a duotone effect and turning the colors to a slate gray is a fast shortcut to that hand-drawn look. Don't be afraid to experiment here, a little tweaking can go a long way. Once you're happy with your sketch effect, it's a good idea to compare it side by side with the original so you can really see the transformation. To do this, just duplicate your design. Or you can grab another version of the photo from the Elements tab and leave it unedited for comparison. This easy trick makes your result really pop and lets you decide if you want to tweak the sketch even more. And just like that, you've turned your photo into a pencil sketch in Canva. Pretty cool, right? This is a fun effect to play with, and once you get the hang of it, you can try it with all kinds of images or even combine sketches together for a collage. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and if you have any questions or ideas for future tutorials, drop them in the comments below. I love hearing from you. Don't forget to subscribe so you never miss out on more creative tips and tricks. Until next time, keep creating.